gente, a partir de hoje vocês vão acompanhar uma nova fase da Ilha Fantasy. Dá uma olhada nas nossas atividades.
I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. I've heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that. As many times as we've loved, and we've shared love and made love, it doesn't seem to me like it's enough. It's just not enough. It's just not enough. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My darling, I can't get enough of your love, babe. Girl, I don't know why. I can't get enough of your love, babe. Some things I can't get used to, no matter how I try. It's like the more you give, the more I want, and baby, that's no lie. Oh no, babe, tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? How should I feel with everything in you?